Extra pass papunta kay RJ.
Guys, this is my family. They want to coach me. Yeah. Never mind. I'm just gonna finish this now. Oh no, not this. Oh no. Dollar girl. What is this? This is gonna be long, guys. I think this is very long. I don't know that yet.
One big, he knew that ball was going to splash. They go back to Troy and Holt. Netong nakaraang Philippine Cup lang yan. Doon sa Cupal, sa USC. Ito they come from behind victory para sa Barangay Nagrata.
Yeah, well, they're a team that knows how to come back in the fourth quarter. You have to play them for 48 minutes. Hindi pwedeng 44 minutes, 45 lang tayo. You've got to play them down there because they do have a finisher in JB. They got finishers in Scotty. You know, a lot of players. And they don't even have a healthy jump at Aguilar yet.
Justin Brown picked up 9 points in the first half. 9 points in the third quarter. 12 dinagdag dito sa fourth. Grabe lang, no?
Yeah.
RJ on the other hand, 23 na pala. Napakita namin kanina, 21.
Hindi na local player. Aparientos really has, you know, a lot of confidence with his 3-point shot. And it's very hard to stop when he may step back here.
Nakaka-anim na to eh. 6 of 9 3-point shooting so far para kay RJ.
67% yan.
Holt to the right side. Picked up by Chicky off the switch.
They forced the switch.
Si Brownlee ang bantay niya ngayon. Ito si Perkins. Holt from the down. Comes up short. Rosario keeps it there. Yun ang halaga na Troy.
Yeah. And Brownlee secures the rebound.
Scotty spins away.
Oh.
Scotty now at 15.
Mabigat itong starting lineup nila ito eh. And of course, sometimes dapat instead of one of the others, we got very good starting lineup nila.
This now the largest lead game para sa Ginebra at 11.
Nice play.
Oh, Duncan misses. Holt with a running start. RJ losing it. Merong foul na nasilip dito.
Sipa ang tinawag eh.
Medyo matata yung pasa pero marirecover pa rin naman yata. At dun sila biglang nagkatamaan doon. You know, medyo lousy yung pasa.
Hinawakan yung paa. Kaya na dadula. Nasaktak ka.
RJ
Hindi naman.
crashing hard on that right knee.
Kasi hinila yung ano eh, sa expanded for the ball.
Nasabi ng Phoenix, wala naman daw. Pero mas maraming agulo siyempre sa gilid.
Mabilis rin ang decision making dito. Because I think would be an ordinary foul. Penalty one.
So no play on the ball. Nakaklo.
Wow. Upo ka natin.
Wala na, next game na. So, actually, mag-overtime tayo dito.
Hindi lang yun. Malaki na lamang ng kalaban.
I forget that. Oh wow.
Here, the great first half, pag second half is really very poor. Nawala eh.
couple of conference side 18-point performance. He's got to sit 3 basketball minutes. Edu Forte na lang to.
Yeah.
No? Attorney Zorilla giving the referees a piece of his mind.
Yeah. If you miss the game earlier, Magnolia can go on over San Miguel. 3-4 yata ang start mo ngayon.
No, ito. Dito muna natin to.
Oh, pagpasa dito nito, medyo sloppy, not good passing. Yun, no, sa cap na hagod eh.
So you're talking about Magnolia, 3-4 na sila. Tabla sila ng San Miguel at 3-4.
And San Miguel lost their interest already.
They lost him in the way na nag-awol.
4-point attempt.
Benny is waving naman daw, no?
Very important. You want that responsible for their championship 2 years ago.
Ang hirap ng kalaban pag galing sa talo. Tapos may Benny is waving.
This is my fan, guys. He's been waiting for.
Injured
So, I'll try one.
to Mark.
Okay, bye-bye.